Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to integrate Databricks with GitHub. Firstly, go to GitHub and click on your profile photo. Navigate to Settings, Developer Settings, then Personal Access Tokens. Click Generate New Token, give it a name and select Basic Repo Control Permissions. Save and keep the generated token safe. Now in Azure Databricks, go to Settings, then User Settings, then Git Integration. Choose GitHub as the provider and enter your Git username or email and access token, then click Save. Now, click on Repos, then Add Repo. Enter your GitHub repo URL, customize the name if needed, then click Create. Your GitHub files will be synced to this location. If you want to move existing Databricks, go to your project in Databricks workspace, click on the down arrow next to your project name and select Move. Select Repos, your GitHub repository, then select your files are now version controlled. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.